Wellington station's signalling system was put in the 1930s. Things have grown over time organically, things have been added.
We wanted to modernise the signalling solution that was becoming obsolete, and it wasn't getting the best out of what is a complicated part of the Wellington rail network.
And up until very recently it was controlled by a signal box with people pulling levers, directing trains in and out of the station. But for a number of reasons, it was time to upgrade.
With Wellington A-Box moving into this computer-based interlocking system, the Siemens Westtrace Mark II, it brings about a significant change and an evolution from what was in the electromechanical lever frames to how we control railway in the modern age.
The team started to be brought together in 2022. We're looking for people that we have good relationships with, that we can work with. For us, it's more about trust.
And we needed a trusted partner. We needed someone that had the skills and expertise to do a job like this. And we've worked a lot with Siemens in New Zealand. We went to them, we said, look, we've got this challenge, sort of what it was, and they really brought their A-team.
The biggest benefit of collaborating with Siemens is really, it unlocks a wealth of technical knowledge across the world that we can tap into.
There were lots of Kiwi Rail signalling principles which didn't apply, or you couldn't apply to this junction. So there was a lot of sort of work from first principles with some of our engineers and Siemens engineers to work up solutions, I guess, to these problems.
It ended up being a dialogue, almost a dance of conversation that almost saw the kind of rule book, the Kiwi Rail signalling principles, rewritten from a principle level.
I was very happy with the trust that they gave us, that they still give us today because of this project. We can't deliver a project like this just as Siemens. They can't deliver a project like this just as Kiwi Rail. When we come together and they bring their knowledge, their operations, all of the things that they do well, together with the things that we do well, that's when we can create something amazing.
We were encouraged, we were supported, we were here to help each other. And that collaboration, that close working relationship, that was at the heart of everything that we did.
Having good contractors is a really important part of helping you sleep at night. Siemens have done a genuinely excellent job on this project, and we couldn't have done it without them.
There's been a really strong relationship built with the Siemens team, and it's reassuring to have those people you trust and know that you will get to the finish line together.